Today on AFOL TV, we're building a cool modern fireplace. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here at AFOL TV, we do LEGO YouTube tutorials and custom LEGO mocks. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We're trying to grow this channel and we really appreciate everyone's support so far. We also offer downloadable instructions for a lot of our builds on our website, www.afolstore.com, and the link is in the description below. As mentioned, we're going to be building a cool outdoor fireplace, and important to note, we're not going to be covering the plants today, but if you click the title card up ahead, up on top of this video, it will take you to our tutorial for our indoor/outdoor plants. So let's get to it. Go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you'll need. And important to note for this one, we're going to be building it with the 3x2 bricks. On our website, we do offer instructions that shows you how to build a little bit better looking version of this, although it's a little bit more expensive. So for the purpose of this video, we wanted to keep it cheap for you guys and use bricks that are commonly available. Therefore, we're doing the 2x3s. And then for the tiles, you'll need 26 of those total. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.